Namaste and welcome. How are you guys doing? So today I will be doing this Galaxy Lady nail art. I was inspired from this painting to do this nail art. Actually I will leave the link for this video in the description bar below. If you guys want to check it out, you can. So I'm starting off with the peel off base coat. Just apply a thin coat of it and let it dry. Now I'm using the picture polish Riviera. I don't know how to properly pronounce it, as my base color, and I'm applying only one coat of it. While this is drying, I will apply this cuticle mask because Galaxy nail arts are messy. Then I will be using the picture polish Alice, this white nail polish from Juice, Lilac Kisses from Nykaa for the Galaxy design. Here I am applying Alice, leaving a space in the center for the nebula. Is that what it's called? I don't know. And here I am using the white nail polish to make the white streak all Galaxy nail arts have. I know it looks very weird, but according to all the Galaxy goddesses, you just have to go back and forth with all the colors until it seems just about right. So that's what I'm doing and hoping that it will look somewhat nice. Here I added a little lilac to the mix and it still doesn't look the way I want to, but yeah. They say Galaxy nail designs look nice when you put a top coat on them, so that's what I'm doing right now. And does it look Galaxy-ish? I think it does from a certain angle. Here I decided to use a hollow top coat for the stars, just sponging a little bit of it on the darkest part of the Galaxy. So now I'm using the black MDU stamping polish and this Bon Petit Store stamping plate to stamp the face of this lady on my nails. So here just carefully placing this lady's face. Now I'm using this Mitty Burns Peachy 000 brush to fill the outsides with the black polish so the Galaxy design peeks through her face. I hope that makes sense. In my head it did. So that's what I'm doing right now. Also, before I started doing it, I applied a fresh coat of cuticle mask because I just don't trust my freehand skills, and you can see why. Finally, it's time to finish this nail art with a glossy top coat. And I actually forgot to push the record button for this part, so just imagine a nice thick coat of glossy top coat going onto this nail art. Just use your imagination. Anyways, here's the finished result. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe, and also you can watch more videos here, and if you want to subscribe, you can subscribe here, and I'll see you in my next one. Namaste.